All right, so first let's talk about logical versus physical. Your textbook uses these terms, but I want to kind of differentiate them. So when we talk about physical data, the physical structure of a system, it has hardware and it has software and it has network components and all these other things, and even that hardware could be many different pieces of hardware, right? All this different stuff. It could be servers and storage devices, right? You might have a couple of servers, and then you might have a couple of storage devices, like SANs and NASs and all that kind of stuff that you learn about in other classes. So that's the physical system. But then you also have the logical. When we talk about logical, what we're saying is we don't care about the complexity of all this physical stuff, right? When we're talking about logical, we're saying we're just looking at all of this stuff as one giant system, and it's transparent to us, right? We don't care what's happening inside that physical system.